Inventory turnover ratio is one of the asset management ratios that indicates the effectiveness of a company in managing its inventory. To calculate the inventory turnover ratio, we need to use the formula sales divided by inventories. Sales can be found from the income statement and the inventories can be found from the balance sheet. So to calculate, let us use the Excel formula and also linking the appropriate cells in the income statement and in the balance sheet. For the year 2018, let us start with the equal sign. Then let us try to find the cells in the income statement worksheet, which is in cell B4, okay, divided by the inventories that can be found in the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet worksheet, the inventories are found in cell B6. After selecting these two cells in the formula, then press enter. So we get that the inventory turnover ratio for this company is 30.35. Let us reduce the decimal point to 2 digits after the decimal and copy the formula to the adjacent cell to get the same ratio for the year 2017. As the 2017 figures are just at the right side of the 2018 figures in both balance sheet and the income statement.